The Joburg team recently concluded a successful transaction with a client who is in the fast-moving consumable goods space. The client is an importer of a product that he distributes to the major retailers, Pick n Pay, Checkers, Spars, etc. And we provided him with a typical working capital facility whereby we took his debtors book as security. The client required the funding for two reasons actually. One was for growth and expansion, and the second one was to cater for the national holidays in China, where the majority of his product is imported from. So we initially started with a 4 million rand facility. We later increased that to 8 million. The reason for the increase was due to another national holiday in China, and that was to ensure the client had enough stock to support him through the upcoming festive season.